If you're looking for imaginative visuals or in need of copyright-free images, then why not explore text-to-image generators as an option? In prior videos, I've covered 10 plus free AI image generators. If you're new here, check the description or click the I symbol above. Today, I'm revealing 5 more image generators. So, let's get started. Number 1, Ideogram. To access Ideogram, simply use the link I've provided in the description. Upon reaching the website, sign up using your Google account. After registration, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can explore various image styles created by Ideogram members. If you're lacking inspiration, you can browse these images for ideas. Before creating your image, set the image ratio by clicking the top right corner, then input your prompt in the designated section. Below the prompt section, you'll find options to choose the style you desire for your image, such as cinematic, typography, illustration, animation, architecture, and more. Once you've configured your settings, click the Generate button to obtain your desired image. Typically, it takes less than 10 to 20 seconds to see the results. Once your image is ready, you can click to zoom in for a closer view. To remix the image or download it, use the download option. If you wish to make prompt changes before downloading, click the remix option, adjust your prompt, and then click generate to get the updated results. Number 2, GenCraft. Visit the GenCraft website and sign up using either your Google or Facebook account. Once you're inside GenCraft, you'll receive some guidance on how to effectively utilize the platform. After reviewing the guidance, click the Start Creating button. You may notice pricing information, but there's no need to worry because GenCraft provides 10 credits every day. Once you've used all 10 credits, they will automatically replenish. In the prompt section, as usual, enter your idea. However, the most remarkable feature is the Surprise Me option. If you're lacking inspiration, simply click the Surprise Me button, and it will automatically populate the prompt section. In this video, I'm going to use the same prompt sentence that I used in the previous AI image tool. You can also use the Add to Photo option, which typically generates ideas based on your input image. Scroll down to select an image style and exclude specific object images by selecting or typing in the type area. Adjust the image ratio according to your preference, and once you're satisfied, click the Generate button to obtain the results. Once you've received the result, click to zoom in and download the high-definition image. Number 3, Picsart. Access the Picsart website using the provided link in the description. Upon arrival, scroll down to explore Picsart's guidelines on effective image creation. Once you've gathered your creative ideas, input or paste your prompt and click the Generate option. Before proceeding, it's important to note that Picsart offers a multitude of customization options, including adding photos, text, stickers, drawing, shapes, backgrounds, and more. However, please keep in mind that the prompt section has a limit of 77 words. To work around this, you can visit ChatGPT to shorten your sentence and create an exact concise version. Paste this new sentence into the input area, then click Generate to obtain the results. Once you have your image, you can use Picsart to remove the background or upscale the image using the aforementioned features. After customizing to your satisfaction, you have the option to either download the image or click Show More Results to access another set of images. Number 4, Veed Io. Visit Veed through the provided description link. Upon entering the site, sign up using either your Google account or email. After registration, select your desired resolution and enter your prompt in the designated section. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate to obtain the desired result. After receiving the result, you have the option to either download it or proceed to edit the picture using the Veed editor. Within the Veed editor, you'll find several customization options, including the ability to add songs, text, and more to enhance your image. Number 5. Footer. Navigate to the Footer image generator website using the link provided in the description. Upon reaching the website, scroll down to explore a collection of tips and tricks on how to achieve image perfection. After you've absorbed this valuable information, enter your prompt and click the Generate button. Before generating, ensure that you've selected the desired aspect ratio and specified the number of images you want. Once the images are ready, click the Download button to save them. On the right side, you can preview the creations you've previously made. On the left side, you can obtain results by uploading your own image. At the top of the page, you'll find the Inspiration option. Clicking on it allows you to browse through multiple images created by other users of the website, offering you inspiration for your own creations. For instance, you can select an image, copy and paste the text prompt into the prompt section, and then click Generate to see the results. Look how it's cool and creative process. As we near the conclusion of our video, if you've enjoyed it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for future AI tools and content. Until next time, take care, and goodbye.